So we hear a lot about prebiotics, we hear a lot about probiotics, and we hear certainly a lot about antibiotics. What is that all about? Well, first of all, there's bacteria that lives in our gut, everything from our mouth to the exit, and that bacteria is crucial, absolutely crucial to the way we live. In fact, we couldn't live without that bacteria. So it has to be the right kind of bacteria, and that then is what we try to affect with our probiotics. Probiotics are actually different types of live bacteria that we consume in order to enhance the bacteria that lives in us. It's important because, for example, the bacteria that lives in us is responsible for 70% of our immune system, believe it or not. So those are probiotics. What about prebiotics? Prebiotics are things that help the healthy bacteria in us survive and live. They need food. And the food that is really helpful to them is called prebiotics. It can be in the form of fiber. It can be in the form of fermented foods. It can be in different pills that we take. But the goal of the prebiotic is to get that healthy bacteria living and growing in us the way that it should. Now, there's another one we hear about are antibiotics. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are the medications that we take to help us with infection. We consume them, and that antibiotic just kills all kinds of bugs, all kinds of bacteria, both the good and the bad. So for sure, if you take antibiotics, it's because you need it. But taking too many antibiotics for such a long time can be detrimental to the bacteria that lives in you. So you've got to take probiotics and prebiotics to help replenish that healthy bacteria. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, give us a holler, please.